Resilio Sync, my honest review and user experience. Is this the best private cloud solution? If you're looking for a private cloud alternative to services like Google Drive or Dropbox, Resilio Sync promises fast, secure, peer-to-peer file syncing. I tested it and here's my honest experience. Most people assume cloud storage always requires centralized servers. The surprising truth is Resilio Sync uses peer-to-peer technology, meaning your files sync directly between devices without third-party servers. This enhances privacy and speed. Setup was simple. I installed the app on my laptop and phone, created a shared folder, and synced it with another device. Files transferred instantly over the local network and remotely with minimal lag. Security is strong. End-to-end encryption ensures only authorized devices can access files, and no data sits on external servers. This makes Resilio Sync ideal for sensitive documents or personal backups. Another advantage is unlimited storage. You're only limited by your own device's capacity, not a subscription tier. Large media libraries or project files sync efficiently without worrying about cloud caps. The only downside is that it's device dependent. If a device is offline, syncing pauses until it reconnects. Unlike traditional cloud services, there is no centralized backup unless you maintain one separately. In conclusion, Resilio Sync is a fast, secure, and flexible solution for private cloud syncing. If you prioritize privacy, speed, and control over your data, it's worth considering.